Hey guys, so I just started pulling up. Ooh, whoopsie. Yeah, I just started pulling up after I cut that side. Looks like my idea is gonna work. I'm pulling out the crash bar from the chassis itself. I see the nose all coming. So now I just have to figure out how I'm gonna do this alone. You probably wanna get two people. I would recommend lifting the crash bar and having someone to stabilize your little wings on your fenders. I'm entirely alone, so we're gonna see how this goes because I really want to start working on this. Hey guys, Rad Performance Swepco here. So, I would like to give you my introduction to the C3 projects. Yes, I'm in over my head, but no, we're still going to do it anyway. So, the first thing, if you're wondering how you pull a nose on a C3 Corvette. Now, you can go in with pry bars and pop it. You can go in between these seams and then down the door. That's a good representation. You basically go with a pry bar through the door side and then you crack it. And if you see those two bonding strips right there, you have this strip where they put the adhesive and then you have the other strip where they put all that adhesive on it. Basically, that's how they mount these nose clips. This one was already pretty loose for me, so he's loose now. And right now, as you'll see, my marks of how I just sawzalled through everything, and then obviously my car is very easy because there's nothing left to it. How I sawed through that seam, and as I just cracked this right here on the A-pillar, I just saw this entire fender just pop up. So I'm very happy that that just popped up because I believe I'm going to be able to get this nose out. And then the only thing, I'm going to pull the whole nose. I took out a bolt that was here. There was two bolts on each side. You see this one snapped in half that I couldn't get to unbolt. I hadn't welded the nut that was spinning, didn't want to come out, and then that's the second bolt, and I tested it, so this whole crash bar should be able to pull out of the internal chassis frame. So we're gonna see. That's the cheap way and the stupid way of how to pull out a C3 nose. So we're gonna keep on going because next is chassis work and chassis paint, and then we're gonna see if we can slap this thing together as cheap as possible and as quick as possible. Please follow along, like, comment, subscribe to see the build series. I really appreciate it, guys. Have a good one.